This tutorial will get you started with Hypothesis, which is a powerful annotation tool. The first step is to go to the Chrome Web Store, find the extension, and download it to your Chromebook, which I've already done. Up in the right corner, by clicking the puzzle piece, you can see what extensions you've loaded, and clicking to pin them will activate them and allow them to work. In order to launch Hypothesis, you first have to open an article. So here's one that I've selected from the New York Times about a small outbreak of coronavirus cases at Brigham and Women's Hospital. The tool itself is very simple to use. In order to create an annotation, you simply highlight text. You could just highlight or click the quotation marks to open up the annotation box. Make your annotation, and here don't forget to post your tag. I created one called Immunology Richards to collect the annotations from Miss Richards' class. If I hit post to public, I've shared these with the group. Clicking on the tag brings me back to the Hypothesis website, where I could look at the matching annotations for this article. I can see the annotations in context and open up the article again. I can see who made them, and there once again is the URL taking me back to the article. You could use this tools in many ways. In addition to annotating articles, you could use it to create or respond to discussion questions, or highlight and define vocabulary terms such as the medical terminology you might find in these readings. As always, if there are questions, please contact me for more help. Good luck.